Ultradent, one of the leading brands in the manufacture and supply of top quality dental treatment and materials in the world. Over time, Ultradent has continuously improved from product quality to packaging design, a revolutionary innovation, and that campaign was called Single Kit.
Welcome to DOE, Dentistry of Excellence Vietnam. My name is Philippe and I take care to manage the company.
Good afternoon, my name is Thu. I'm from the marketing department for Ultradent products.
Good afternoon, my name Nhỏ. I'm in charge for the sales manager Ultradent in the Vietnam.
So today we would like to share with you our experience with all the single kit. Mean the new kit that include only one syringe and all the dedicated kit you need for the treatment versus the traditional kit of Ultradent with 20 syringe or 4 syringe.
Few words about DOE. Our company was created in 1998 and our first supplier was Ultradent. So this is now more than 20 years that we have the chance to promote Ultradent product in Vietnam. Education with lecture of Dr. Fischer, Dr. Renato, Steve, and many others help us a lot. We organize also regular lecture in our office in Ho Chi Minh City and in Hanoi with our local KOL. Marketing cooperation during all these years was also very important.
So I think one of the perfect example of the support and care of Ultradent for market like Vietnam is all these single kits.
The Vietnamese markets have a lot of small clinics with 1 to 2 dentists, so they don't use the large quantity product. For the bucket of 20 syringe or even 4 syringe like this is also the problem with them because they don't want to buy too much product in their stock.
Yeah, during 20 years, we want to customize single packaging like this one, so but was not a perfect solution.
So we was very happy during these last 2 years to introduce the single kit for our customer. And I can say it is now a great success. And for all these products like Opalescence Boost, Opalescence Quick, Opalescence Endo, Opaldam, Ultra Ease, Opalustre, Sick, Concept 6, Ultra Blend, Ultra Edge, Permaseal, Ultra Seal, Porcelain Edge, Silan, File Ease or Ultra Cal. All these products now we order and we sell only the single packaging and not anymore the traditional packaging. So we would like to show you now all the benefits the single packaging gives us.
Single kit is a new packaging with one package, bringing many benefits in the treatment process, improving operating procedure, delivering, managing, storing, to make everything easier and faster, save time as well as avoid many mistakes for both distributor and dentist.
Đối với cả cái sản phẩm lúc trước ấy, thì nó có khoảng vài cái ống á, ở trong một cái bao. Thì một ấy là sẽ phải mua nguyên cả một set như thế. Thì đương nhiên là cái lóc hàng cũng sẽ phải nhiều hơn. Và nếu mà ví dụ như cái tần suất mà mình sử dụng nó không đủ nhiều á, thì đương nhiên là hàng nó sẽ bị quá đắt. Số các cửa hàng người ta cũng bán với cái dạng là xé lẻ ra so với cả cái bao bì nguyên gốc.
Là bác phải đi lấy cái ống này, bác lấy ống này, rồi bác lấy cái này riêng. Nó phiền như vậy luôn. Quên nó mình tay lấy nhiều khi Cái thuốc thì ba bỏ tủ lạnh, còn cái này thì bó ông tổ, nó đi lấy nhiều chỗ, còn cái này là quăng vậy là lấy ra là xài luôn, nó khỏe hơn vậy thôi.
Trước đây anh sử dụng thì bên hãng sẽ đưa cho anh những cái tiếp nhỏ và nó không được đóng gói khăn như thế này. Nếu anh không mua trọn bộ.
Với cái bao bì hiện tại thì mọi thứ nó sẽ được tách riêng. Thì thứ nhất là nhìn nó cũng sẽ chuyên nghiệp hơn, và cái thứ hai nữa là tiện hơn cho mình trong cái vấn đề sử dụng cũng như bảo quản.
Với lại nó đóng nguyên siêu như vậy á, thì nó quanh basket như vậy thì bác lấy ra là nguyên trong em tên nguyên kiện luôn, bác xài luôn. Ví dụ như cái em y tá hôm nay nó phụ, bữa sau á, là đứa khác phụ nó không nhớ.
It is true that Vietnamese dentists really enjoy all this single packaging. So I would like to wish you also a lot of success in your market with this new packaging. I would like to thank you and hope to see you again soon somewhere in the Ultradent meeting. Bye bye. Bye bye.
And Vietnam is also a testament for that success.